It's time for bookkeeping, beer, and BS.
Here is Darren's question for you paver sealing nerds. How do you clean limestone pavers and how do you keep them clean?
Bleach it and then hit it with a penetrating sealer.
Where'd you read that off of?
If you just scroll down, I mean, there's.
Damn.
I am knowledgeable in our business.
Look at that.
Yeah. I'm assuming they're talking something that's more like a flagstone and not necessarily just a paver, but I mean, at the end of the day, nobody's doing anything that's like a mystery. You know, everybody's spraying some bleach on it and using the right equipment to clean it safely, I guess. You know, you're not going to go out there with a red tip and try to blast all the grime away. You want to do it properly. I think a lot of things in this industry, you can do like anybody can learn to soft wash on YouTube. It's very easy. Mm-hmm. For us, the paver portion has been a lot more research and reaching out to like industry leaders, figuring out what they're doing and how they're doing it. And people are very open about it. Like if you're on Facebook and you find somebody that seems to be, you know, the guy in their area, reach out to them. Most of these people are willing to share some stuff. But it's not rocket science. The sealing part of it, you know, it can't, there's some nuances there. There's plenty of things that can go wrong with it. But again, there's no shortage of information if you reach out to the right people. I'd say, you know, if someone's trying to get into sealing, I don't know if it's any secret at this point, but like Trident products, they've got some of the best technical and customer service that I've ever come across. And they're very willing to help people out with that type of stuff.
Yeah. My guess is Darren. So Darren has a landscaping design business. He actually runs Turfs Up Radio, which I'm trying to get the technology to join his team of talkers. My guess is he's probably like designing some stuff with it, but maybe has clients that have issues when he does install some limestone of keeping it clean for a longer period of time.
They're in Minnesota?
No, he's out in Pennsylvania. Well, I think his business is actually down in Florida.
Oh,
maybe I would probably get it backwards. I want to say he lives in Florida and his business is in Pennsylvania, or maybe the other way around. I think he lives in Florida, business in Pennsylvania, but I could have it backwards. So the answer might just be hire somebody like Clay and Kirsten and Darren.
That's what I was going to say. If he's in Minnesota,
you could hire me.
Give us a call.
Kirsten, how many days have you been out in the field cleaning shit?
She cleaned windows for a whole year.
They wouldn't have even gotten the window cleaning thing off the ground if it wasn't for me.
We did a lot of route work when we first got started because, you know, we quit our jobs going into winter.
They quit their jobs.
And
I had to
going into winter, you quit your jobs.
Yeah, we quit our jobs.
I suppose you're in construction, so it's like
so there was going to be a downtime anyway, but we decided let's load up on a bunch of storefronts, and here we are cleaning windows in 17 degrees.
Who's we?
And she was out there doing all of it, so she's cleaned a few things.
I cleaned in freezing weather.
Yeah,
did all the routes. I'm not even sure what you guys were doing. I don't.
How, like, at what point do you need to bust out a ladder, Kirsten?
Anything over about 4.5 feet, just gonna keep a ladder out.
Get that ladder out. Get that step ladder out. Oh, damn, this window gets up to that 5 foot. It's in that 5 foot range.
Yeah.
Bust out the step stool.
I'm sure there's been times people were like taking pictures of little Kirsten out there cleaning the transom windows above the storefronts.
What is she doing?
I remember the day you tried to tell me I needed to learn how to use a pole.
It's a good shoulder workout for you.
I would rather use the ladder.
Yeah. Our early days of window cleaning, which wasn't, not that long ago. It's fun to think back.